How to turn on or off email notifications in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open Mail app and then select a mail you want to notify. Simply swipe left and here you can see the option More. Now click on More. After clicking on More, then scroll up and here you can see the option Notify Me. Now click on it and it will notify you. And if you want to turn off your email notification, then simply again swipe left and then click on More and then click on Stop Notifying. So this is the way to turn on or off email notifications in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.